Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a gripping incident that led to some serious charges against James Mitchell Kerr. Police body camera footage, recently obtained by MLive through a Freedom of Information Act request, reveals the shocking moments that unfolded on September 19, 2024.
How you doing, James? Come on out there, man. Come here. James, stop! 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 Get off the... Now! Get off! Now! Stop! 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 Now! Stop! Now! Get off! Get off now!
I'm getting off right now. I'm getting off.
Now!
I'm getting off. No.
Step off! Shut it off and step off now!
I am. Calm
Get
down.
off!
Calm
Now!
down. I'm on.
In a tense confrontation, Kerr allegedly pulled a gun on a deputy, resulting in a chaotic scene where he accidentally shot himself in the hand while being tossed.
You run, I'm gonna tase you, James.
And I'm gonna.
Drop the gun! Send me another unit now. Shots fired. Suspect pulled a gun.
No,
He shot. Stand by. Suspect reached for a gun. Got tased. Round discharge from his gun. Start JCA'd another unit. Looks like he got shot in the hand.
Facing charges including assault with intent to murder, carrying a firearm in the commission of a felony, and resisting arrest, Kerr's trial is underway on November 13th. Tragedy strikes in downtown Orlando as a late-night shooting leaves 2 dead and 6 others injured. In the early hours of Friday morning, chaos erupted as shots rang out, resulting in a scene filled with despair and confusion.
At Central Boulevard and Orange Avenue. Within minutes, a second report of shots fired was called in south of Washington Street on Orange Avenue.
Gunshot victim, gunshot victim, gunshot victim. Get on the ground, get on the ground right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now.
As the community grapples with this violence, questions remain about what led to such a tragic event. Our thoughts are with the victims and their families during this difficult time.
I saw him shoot, I saw him shoot. I saw him shoot. He's got it, he's got it. Search him again.
Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.